Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Udays Review. We were just posting the videos in English. As per the viewers' suggestion, we were suggested to post the videos in multiple languages. So here afterwards, videos will be coming in Tamil and also in English. So thanks for your support. Please see the video and enjoy. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Udays Review. So how is the background? What do you think? Is it nice or is it not nice? Please leave the comment below in the comment section. So this video will be about the light which is glowing behind. So without wasting any time, let us get into the unboxing. Before getting into the video, if you like the background, hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to my channel Udays Review and also press the notification button next to it. So friends, let us get into the unboxing of this LED light. I'll just open. It's a simple package, nothing much is there for the packing. So this is a light, we all know. This also comes with a remote. So this is a remote for this, for changing the colors, and there is also many features in this. So when I power on the light, I'll just show the demo of it. This is how the light looks. This is a simple LED panel. Inside this is the IC and all stuff here. This is how it looks, and this is how the back looks. This has one holder like this, and here is the wire where we can connect to the power wire and extend it. And there are multiple color bulbs here, as we can see. There is a yellow bulb, white bulb and orange bulb. So let us power on this light and see what are the colors are there here. For the purpose of the video, I'll be connecting this 2-pin plug to the light, and I'll show you the demo. I'll also show how to connect this to the light. So first we'll have to unscrew this, remove this. So connect the wires. So we'll connect the wires here, and we'll take this point and connect here. This is just for the demo purpose. So it is secured. Now I'll take this holder, put it here, inside this and this one. First put the small nut here, then connect the screw which is given like this. So now it is secured. So we have connected everything. I'll just power on the light by the remote. It has a remote, so I can just switch it on. Once we switch on, it is in the flash mode. So there are many colors here, around 16 colors. So I'll just change one by one and I'll show you. First, let me start with red. I'll go to the other shades of in the red. Then I will go to green. That is followed by blue. And then purple, dark blue, that is navy blue, purple, then violet and pink. So these are the shades which is available in this. There is also white light in this, so this is white. Okay, Anna? Yeah. And there are a couple of features in this like flash, strobe, fade and smooth. Just see one by one. So this is flash, and these buttons are to increase and decrease the speed of it. So this is increase the speed, so it is like this, jing chak jing chak. I'll reduce the speed and we'll go to strobe. Okay, strobe is like this, where it flashes. And fade, this is a slow fade of colors, so I can decrease and increase it, the speed of the transitions of light. And this is smooth. Smooth is like this, and if we decrease the speed, so it goes like this. When smooth, only 3 color comes, that is red, green and blue. Flash, there are many colors coming. Okay, this is about the light. So friends, what do you feel about this LED light? Please tell us in the comment section below, and you also tell us how is the background of the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe to my channel Udays Review, and also hit the bell notification button next to it. Share this video with your friends and families, and also tell them to subscribe my channel Udays Review. The more subscribers I get, it will be motivating for me to do the interesting contents like this. So friends, see you in the next video. Until then, signing off. Bye.